Hello friends, hopefully you are fine. Today I got a new earning website where you can earn BNB very easily and freely. You can see one BNB is equal to $304.34. Now I am going to take withdraw in front of you 3000 and 35,100 tokens from this website. Now I am going to take my withdraw from this website. Click on withdraw button and here you can see how much I gain BNB from this website, and 3500 and 345 is equal to 11,786 BNB, which is equal to. Now here you just need to put your BNB wallet address and click on withdraw button. You can get your withdraw in 24 to 75 2 hours. You can get your withdraw very easily and freely. I copied my BNB wallet address and paste here and then click on withdraw button, and it will take some. You have sent a withdrawal request successfully. Okay friends, when I got my withdraw I will give you proof of this mining web earning website. Now I am going to show you how can you sign up on this website and how can you earn more and more BNB from this majestic websites. And here friends, how can you reach your, I will provide you link in the description. You just need to click on the link and you will reach here without wasting any time. And here how much ways you can earn from this website. You can join simple faucet achievements and offer wall contest, level system and auto faucet from this mining website, and how much withdrawal taken from this website and how much people earned BNB from this website. You can also check the users and frequently asked any question. You can check if you have any query or question, you can frankly ask here. Now I am going to show you how can you register on this website. You just need to click on start earning, and here you have to put your email and username and put password at two places, then click on register button. You have to verify your email. After completing this captcha you have to register on this website, and you should verify your email to get your withdrawal request very easily and freely and without any hesitation. Now I have already account. Now I am going to log in and I will give you each and everything. I will provide you about every information about this website. How can you earn from this website? When you log in on this website, this type of interface will come in front of you. You can see here faucets, short links, auto faucet and paid to clicks, PTC ads, and earn more BNB from this website. First of all, you just need to go here. Here we have every options to do anything on this website. Here we get freely about 19 short links that we have to clear every morning. We will get 19 short links to clear, achieve more tokens from this website. And claim faucets, you just need to click on claim faucets, and here you can see we got this type of anti-bot links. You just need to click all these anti-bot links to earn more and more. You just get a number of anti-bot links on daily basis. Now I am going to show you how can you do this work. Outline and mine monkey, that we have short links, and fill up the captcha, then click on collect tokens. If you work on this website on daily basis, then your earning of tokens has been increased on daily basis. Now I got 50.25% token on this website, and you will also get more bonuses on daily basis, and you will claim these claim auto faucets after every 5 minutes. Claim faucets after every 5 minutes. Then we have auto faucets, and here you earn energy to get your faucets. you you need 30 energy to get faucets on this website. You just need to stay here for 1 minute to get 50 tokens freely. Now we have other option that is called paid to links, and here you will get every day 4 links. You just need to stay on that link to watch 40 seconds and 30 seconds to get 50 coins and 30 tokens from this website. And we have other option that is called short links. Click on short links, and here you will get how much coins you can earn up to 1700 tokens from this 19 short links and 190 energy. You also use energy to get more and more tokens from this mining website, earning website. Now you just need to click on claim button, and here it will take some time to get their website in, and you can see how much I easily confirmed my this short links very easy. You just need to click here and fill up the captcha. Remove this website if you don't want to see it again and again. Here verify it and click on claim button. Click here to continue. It will takes only 12 seconds to give us link to get our 80 coins reward from this website. You can see it reducing our time right now. Direct download link. And here you can see get link. Click here. I am going to remove my extra income, and here you can see I got 80 tokens from this website. By using these ways you can earn more and more from this website BNB. Now hopefully you like my video. If you like my video, then give me a thumb button and please subscribe my channel if you want more video in future. Now we have another option that is called account. Here you can see check profile, withdraw history and referrals. Click on withdraw button. Here you can see you should have 3000 tokens to get your withdraw on daily basis.